This lesson is to teach you how to solve a quadratic equation by graphing. This is something that we learned earlier in the school year in early March, and you may recall. The steps are as follows. Step 1, make sure your equation is in standard form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Step 2, use a graphing calculator or graphing application to graph this parabola. Step 3, look for the x-intercepts. These are sometimes called roots or zeros. The x-intercepts are the locations of our solutions. Fourth, verify. Make sure that you take those values, plug them back into the original equation, and confirm that they make a true statement. Let's take a look at an example problem, such as x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. This is an equation that you might be asked to solve by graphing. In order to do that, we're going to head to a graphing calculator. I would recommend that you head to Desmos if you don't have your own graphing calculator. There are other ones available online, and they would also work the same. I prefer this one over others because I think it's very user-friendly. So I'm going to type in our equation, which remember was x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. I'm going to type in x squared, and I get the squared by hitting Shift 6, so I use that little caret button. I have to get down from the exponent, so I'm going to hit the right arrow. Then I'm going to type in minus 6x, and then I'm going to type in plus 9. What I have here is my formula typed in. You can see my example problem. I'm not going to include the equals 0 because that's not necessary. The equals 0 is going to be found on this graph where this parabola touches the x-axis. You can see that this red parabola that it graphed for us instantaneously has 1, 0 right here at 3. So our solution to this equation is x equals 3. There's just one solution. If I plug a 3 in for x, I get 3 squared, which is 9. A 3 in for x, I get 6 times 3, which is 18. 9 minus 18 is negative 9, plus 9 is 0. 0 equals 0. I have confirmed that it's a true solution.